Andrew Hayslip with Boat Beautiful in Ceramic Coat, Texas. I want to kind of give you guys a tip today. And the people that we've trained over the years, one of the common misconceptions that people have is cleaning their pads or not cleaning their pads. When you don't clean your pads, they get gummed up, get caked up. You have, especially with boats, you have a lot of gel coat residue left over inside of them and such. That will cause your work to be less than perfect. So we're going over a couple different ways that we clean our pads here at the shop. Some of you guys may not have these conveniences out of the shop like we have, but we're going to go over and kind of give you guys a look. We're working on a Nautique and a Blue Wave today. Got a Rupaz 21, and we like to blow out all of our microfiber pads with air and a Tornador. I'm going to kind of give you guys a little demonstration on how we do it. As you guys can see there was a lot of residue left over, a lot of dried up product in there. That was just off of like a 4 foot by 4 foot section on this Nautique that we hit. So these products are made with a lot of oils in them this day and age to help with the cutting power, allowing the product to last longer. In return, they will dust up quicker, causing your results to vary if you do not properly care for your pads. We're gonna go over to a rotary and a wool pad. Again, same thing. We don't like using the Tornador as much in the air. We, old school method, spur, spin round and round. Show it to you guys real quick. Same kind of thing there. Loosened the fibers up quite a bit in that. Allowed some of the old gel coat to dissipate. Yeah, it causes a mess obviously, but well worth it in the end. Get more longevity out of our pads. If you guys got any questions, feel free to give me a shout. Phone number for me, 512-501-4401. Have a great day.